your skin is always the first line of attraction. Leaving your skin untreated, uneven, and staying dull just because you can't afford to buy the trending skincare product is not the best choice of action. Now, if you know you are a student, come closer. If you know your parents still gives you pocket money every month, come closer. If you know you are a salary earner and you earn below 100,000 naira in a month, come closer. You have no excuse leaving your skin dull and untreated just because you can't afford to buy the trending skincare product. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's again here this series. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for keeping this channel going. Thank you so very much for subscribing to my channel. I do not take that for granted. Like, thank you, thank you, thank you. Today's video is going to be a very exciting one, and I'm so happy. If you are a student or someone on a budget, grab your pen and your notebook because it's going to be a very simple, affordable, and effective skincare product for beginners. Now, the products I'm going to be sharing with you all today are something that I used back then when I was still in the university, when I don't have money, when I still collect pocket money from my parents. Some of them are still what I use currently. That this video is going to be simple, effective, and affordable. Basic skincare product for students. Basic skincare product for beginners. Whenever you hear about basic skincare product, what comes in mind? It simply means products that focuses on cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting the skin from damage. This include your face wash, your moisturizer, and what? And your sunscreen. Why, when it comes to your body care routine, it includes your body wash, your body lotion, and what? And your body oil. Making it what? Making it total of 5 to 6 items. That is 3 items for the face and then 3 items for the body. Now, on today's video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can layer these skincare products, on how you can layer this simple skincare product on your skin to achieve the best results. So guys, get your pen and your notebook in case you might need to jot down some points on this video. So firstly, you're going to be needing a good body soap. So you can get something like the Idol Lightening Bar Soap. It is not new in the market. This is actually an old soap and it's being sold at the price of 1,500 naira. Now, the company wrote that this is Idol Lightening Exfoliating Soap and it contains avocado powder. So one thing I love about this particular soap is the fact that it is affordable. Not just because it is affordable. This soap, it is very mild to the skin. It is not hard to give you this uniform skin tone. It is not a lightening product. It's not going to lighten your skin. Instead, it's going to help to give you that uniform skin tone. It's going to help to unify your skin. It's going to help to brighten up your skin and give you that sweet tone. So another soap you can use if you can't find this particular Idol exfoliating lightening bar soap is the Hawaii. So this is the pictorial view of what the Hawaii papaya bar soap looks like. The Hawaii papaya bar soap is another soap I was making use of back then when I was in university, when I don't have money to buy the skin care product that I want or the trendy skincare product I want to try out. So these two bar soap was my ever go-to when I was in the university when I don't have money. And these two soaps are very nice. And back then it was I think 700 naira, I mean either 700 500 naira back then. But as it stands now, this soap is being sold at the price of 1,500 naira. The Hawaii papaya bar soap, I think it is more cheaper than this, but the both of them are still very good. Just one of these bar soap can last up to 3 weeks for you. And one amazing thing about these two bar soap is the fact that you can use it both on your face and your body. This particular bar soap can actually serve two purposes. You can actually use it to exfoliate your skin. So now, the second thing you're going to be needing once you're out from the shower or after having your bath and you're out from the shower is a good face moisturizer. a good face moisturizing face cream. On this video, I'm going to be recommending this Face Fact Vitamin C face cream. The Face Fact Vitamin C face cream. This particular face cream is sold at the price of 4,500 naira to 5,000 naira. And trust me, this can serve up to like 3 months for you. You guys, this particular Face Fact Vitamin C face cream is going to help to hydrate and nourish your skin. It's going to help to moisturize your skin. And one amazing thing about this particular face cream is that it contains two potent ingredients, which is the vitamin C and glycerin. It blends with the skin. You know, this type of face cream, after applying it, your face will be looking so oily. Your face will be looking so oily, like someone that applied groundnut oil on his or her face. This particular face cream blends so well on the skin. And because it is moisturizing, you're going to be using this only during the day. Use it only during the day, something like in the morning or in the afternoon. Use this only during the day. Since if you're an acne prone skin, I won't advise you to use anything vitamin. I won't advise you to use anything vitamin C, because it's going to help, because it's going to cause more breakout on your face. So if you're someone with acne prone skin, I would advise you to go for a cleanser or a toner in the morning. A toner that contains benzoic acid, or a toner that contains salicylic acid, or a toner that contains glycolic acid. That is what you basically need during the day for someone with acne prone skin. Acne prone skin, stay away from vitamin C. It's going to cause more harm to your skin. Another face cream you can actually try is this, the advanced nail all-in-one coat. Is it Corres cream? I don't actually know how to pronounce this, but this is a cream here. So if you can actually get this, it's still very good. The next step is our body lotion. On this video, I'm going to be recommending 3 different body lotions. So any of these body lotion you can lay your hands on is going to do the job for you as a beginner. So now the first on my list is the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow body lotion. This particular body lotion contains 95% pure vitamin C. It also contains 15% SPF. Yeah, so but the SPF is not actually enough to protect your skin from UV rays. So this is my first option. If you can't afford to buy this is the second body lotion I'm going to be recommending on this video. This is the Natural body lotion, and this body lotion is sold at the price of 2,500 naira. Depending on your location, you can actually get it higher than that, or you can get it below that price, depending on the vendor you're getting it from. This is the second lotion I'm going to be recommending on this video. Why the third body lotion I'm going to be recommending on this video is the Dove body lotion. I'm going to leave a picture of it. These 3 body lotions, you can actually get it below 5,000 naira. The only expensive body lotion here among these 3 body lotion is the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow body lotion. Why the Dove body lotion, I think it's still within the same range of price with this one. This one is being sold at the price of 2,500 naira to 3,000 naira, but it's not going to be more than 3,000 naira. This is it, the Natural body lotion. This particular body lotion is going to be very nice for fair skin. It's going to be very suitable for people that are fair, that want to maintain their skin tone, that want to maintain their skin color. This particular one is going to go well for you. And if you're a caramel skin that wants to maintain his or her skin tone, you can go for this particular Nivea Radiant and Even Glow body lotion. Why for a darker skin, if you want to maintain your skin tone, you can go for the Dove body lotion. Now, what I'm trying to say in essence, I don't mean that this particular one is not going to work for people that are dark, or this one is not going to work for fairer skin. It's going to work for any type of skin. These 2 body lotion and the Dove body lotion, it does not discriminate. It does not discriminate. The reason why I said this is going to be very much suitable for people that are caramel and darker skin is because of the ingredients used in the formulation of this particular skincare. Why? The reason why I say that this one is going to be suitable for people that are fairer, that want to maintain their skin tone, should go for this one is because of the ingredients used in the formulation. But that doesn't mean that any skin type will not use this particular lotion. This lotion will not cause any reaction to your skin, and it's not going to darken your skin. The next thing you're going to be needing is your sunscreen. Sunscreen SPF is very, very important. See, as a student, I will recommend these two. Go for the Rachel sunscreen, or you can go for the Aqua sunscreen. These two sunscreen are so affordable and effective, and it's going to be suitable for students. You need to protect your face. You need to protect your skin against UV rays. This sunscreen is sold at the price of 4,000 naira and below. Why the Aqua sunscreen, I think it's not even up to 7,000 naira, and it can last you for months. So now let's talk about body oils for those with extremely dry skin that might want to go for a body oils instead of body lotion. I have few body oils here I can actually recommend that are budget friendly. The first on my list is the Johnson baby oil. This body oil is small but mighty. It moisturizes the skin, it hydrates the skin, leaving your skin shiny. Another body oil on my list is the Vitamin C body oil gel. This particular body oil comes in a gel-like form, and it's still very, very good. So the third body oil I'm going to be recommending for an extremely dry skin is the Nivea body oil. The Nivea body oil, it is so moisturizing and it contains niacinamide, the B3. It is very, very good. If you can afford it, go for it. Now, the last but not the least is your body scrub. As a student, you need a body scrub, and I will always recommend to go for the Cool Spa body scrub. For a student who still depends on their parents for money, or for anyone that still earns below 100,000 naira in a month, you need to get Cool Spa body scrub. So my love, the last but not the least on this video is that you're gonna be needing a lip balm. For me, this is the lip gloss I make use of. I bought this at the price of 500 naira from the supermarket, and this particular lip gloss actually lasts for me. Every time I apply this particular lip gloss on my lips, it's going to last for me for the whole day. Like, this is a long lasting lip gloss. Of course, as a girl, your lips is supposed to stay moisturized, plump, nourished, and of course kissable. Why not? If not, you don't need to break the bank for you to take care of your skin. All you have to do is to stick to the basic, which include cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from UV rays by the use of your sunscreen. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe. Not just that, turn on the post notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will always be the first person to get notified by YouTube. Remain blessed, stay glowy, stay safe, stay happy. See you guys on my next one. Bye, and thanks for watching.